Hi, my name is Eugenio Marin. I'm the CEO of the U.S.-Mexico Foundation for Science.
Hi, my name's Keith Patridge. I'm the President and CEO of McAllen Economic Development Corporation.
My name is David Ortiz, and I am the director of the Texas Manufacturing Assistance Center.
Basically, we gathered today in this event so we could launch our project called Manufacturing Reshoring. And this project is intended to address targeting around 400 manufacturing operations in the South Texas border region, along with 150 companies in the Mexico side.
The goal of today's meeting was really to launch this program where we are starting to really put together a comprehensive plan to identify and develop the supply base in South Texas and northeastern Mexico.
Our intention is to help these small manufacturers to really connect to those opportunities in an efficient way and to see where those value chains are really moving forward and moving through all the complications that they're facing today.
With this program, we will identify skill gaps that we maybe need to work with the university and our community college in solving, but also we will be working with identifying the supply gaps where we are finding those areas that we don't have either a supplier for a particular type of process or our product, or that we don't have enough of a supplier or a product.
Our goal with this meeting of the manufacturing reshoring presentation is to get more and more manufacturing companies on board to be able to provide information as to what capabilities we have here in the Valley and what do we need to build to strengthen our economy and job creation process here.
Today's kickoff meeting, we look forward to work with you to learn more about your company and the processes you have. We really appreciate your time and look forward to working with you in the future.
We hope to get great results of the project and thank you very much.